Polar coordinates. What are polar coordinates? This is a method of expressing coordinates in the form r theta. R is the distance from the origin and theta is the angle formed with the positive x-axis. To convert from Cartesian coordinates to polar coordinates based on the definitions, these formulas can be used. R equals the square root of x squared plus y squared, and theta equals the arctan of y over x. And to convert from polar to Cartesian, x equals r cos theta and y equals r sin theta. Equations on polar graphs are usually given in the form r equals f of theta. To find the derivatives of polar equations in terms of x and y, we can substitute the polar equation into the formulas for converting polar coordinates into Cartesian coordinates. This can then be differentiated. To find the length of a segment of a polar equation between the points where theta equals alpha and theta equals beta, we can use the formula L equals the integral of the square root of dx by d theta squared plus dy by d theta squared in terms of theta. This formula can also be rewritten in terms of r and theta by substituting for dx by d theta and dy by d theta. The area underneath a polar graph is given by the integral from alpha to beta of r squared over 2 in terms of theta. And the area between polar graphs is given by the integral of f of theta squared minus g of theta squared all over 2 in terms of theta, where r equals f of theta and r equals g of theta are the equations of the two lines. Keep in mind that these areas are calculated radially, meaning that each individual area that we are summing together is measured from the origin to a point on the line.